To my channel with another unpacking of Pokemon cards again, and we're just gonna continue unpacking some Pokemon cards. Bunch of fake Pokemon cards. I know that already, but you don't have to say it. It's because I already knew that it is a fake one, but still I'm doing it is because this is my this is my happiness also. I just want to collect every single Pokemon cards also, and I have some new Pokemon cards. So bunch of Pokemon cards right here in the plastic, but and also uh, it is ready. So there is a one mini booster box and two booster packs. Okay, and then the rest of the Pokemon cards will be I will be making next on to the next day. Okay, so let's gonna start it up, guys. Okay, let's gonna start it up. Okay, here it goes. So here it goes. We have some one over here, one mini booster box and two booster packs. So let's gonna start it up, unboxing or unpacking this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to, okay, take that one. Okay, and then let's gonna go over here into this, okay, into this. Okay, okay, wait, okay, what's happening? Okay, okay, there it goes. Okay, why this one right here is thick card. So I think that is the holographic. Okay, we have some Raikou V, Azarud. Okay, what is this one? Asalandit. Okay, Asalandit. A full art Pikachu, the Cyan V Star, the Magenta V, Duskull full art, Paras full art, Heliolisk, Yan Mega. Okay, Yan Mega, uh, Mew full art, Luminion V, full art. Okay, Energy, grass type, and also an energy, electric type, Dayansi. Okay, Dayansi full art, and Atan growth. Okay, oh, it's a Mew V. Okay, and a third twig. Okay, a third twig full art, and another Rayquaza V. Okay, I have a bunch of Rayquaza V, legendary one, and a Volcanion. Oh, okay, nice one. Oh, you look at that. Will you look at that in that one? Oh, as you can see right there. So okay, we have some Zacian V, full art Marie, and also a full art Solrock, another Luxray. So let's gonna check this last one. Okay, let's gonna check this. Oh, it's a water type. Okay, it's a water type. Okay, okay, let's gonna check this out. What is this water type? uh, okay. Okay, this one right here, primal guidance. So, and whoa, an almost star V. Oh, look at that nice one over there. Oh, nice. Oh, Master V in a hollow, a reverse hollow. Okay, and okay, that one right there, and then just gonna clear the space. Okay, and we have some shiny cards, shiny booster packs over here with uh Koraidon or Miraidon. So I don't know what is this one. Okay, then let's go open this up. Okay. Oh, whoa, nice one over here. Nice one. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4. Whoa, some more Peko VMAX in a reverse hollow. Okay. What? Wow, a Milotic V. Okay. Toxtricity. Oh, this is a bunch of reverse hollow. Okay. Eldigos. Oh, the Ninetales. My favorite. Cantonia Ninetales. The fire type. Okay. Didn't expect this. Okay. And we have some Inteleon V. Amorpeco V. And Delmise. Oh, this new one. Okay. A legendary Pokemon. Okay. Giga Martillo. Okay. This is not okay, this is not an English version, but I think this is the Spanish one. Okay, Scarlet and Violet. Oh, Delmise. Okay. Bunch of reverse hollow. Okay. Bunch of reverse hollow. Okay, and then on to the next. Okay. So on to the next one. Okay. Okay, on to the next. Oh, another. Okay. This is an interesting card over here. Another more Peko. Oh, a Lapras. Oh, a Malamar VMAX. Okay. An Inteleon V. Oh, okay. And a Bolton. Oh, nice one. Okay. Didn't expect this. Okay. And also a Rillaboom. Oh, okay. And a Sandaconda V. Oh, nice. Okay. That is what. This is the nice one. Okay. And a Caparaja. Okay. Wow, nice. Okay. Didn't expect these cards. Okay. I didn't expect these cards. Okay. I didn't expect these cards. Okay. Um, Again, the dogs outside. The dogs. The dogs. Okay. Okay. And there it goes. Didn't expect this one. Okay, I didn't expect this one. But I think this Delmise over here is. I think this Delmise over here is a legendary Pokemon. So okay, legendary Pokemon and Morpeko, an Inteleon, a Ninetales, Eldegoss, Toxtricity, electric type, and a poison type Pokemon. Okay. Milotic, Amorpeco VMAX, Caparaja VMAX, Sandaconda V, Bolton V, Rillaboom V, and an Inteleon, Malamar VMAX, Alapras, and Amorpeco. Okay, that one right here. So that is a nice. That is a nice one over there, and we're gonna go this one. So it is a Solorak. Okay, Marie, a Turtwig, Mew, a Paras, Adaskal, and Pikachu. Okay, and got some two electric type energy and a grass type energy. Okay, and let's go to this one. Okay, let's go to this Zasayan, Rayquaza, Mew, Diancie. Okay, 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 where is that one? Okay, okay, this is a full art Diancie. Where do I put this? Where is that card? Okay, where's that card? Okay, okay, there you go. There you have it. Diancie full art. We have some Luminion full art. V, the magenta, and Araiko. Oh, okay. And have some this one, the root and a volcanion. Okay, nice one. And also a salandit. Okay, there you go. Heliolisk, Yanmega, Tangrowth, Luxray, and a salandit. And also we have some Zacian V-Star. Okay, and also our holo for today is the reverse holo is the Omastar V. Okay, I think I have to open another one. It's because I divided this into what is this called, so two. Okay, so I have to open I have to open this one right here. So I have to open this. Okay, I have to open another one. Okay, let's go. Let's gonna open this one. Okay, let's go. Let's gonna open this. Okay, go. We have got some Zacian V-Star, the magenta V. Okay, another Duskull. Okay, Paras, full art. Iron Mega. Okay, new full art and aluminium full art V. Okay, energy again. So grass and electric full art, DNC. Okay, and also Atan Grow. New, nothing new. Okay, redundant. Okay, new. Okay, after twig full art, Rayquaza. Okay, Rayquaza Volcanion again, Zacian. Okay, Marip, Solrock. Okay, a Luxury, a Regigigas V-Star, full art Malafi. Okay, what is this? Okay, Hatirini VMAX. Okay, where do I put this one? Okay, I have to put this one, and as a magenta V. Okay, let's go check this out. Okay, let's go check. Oh, it's a dragon type. It's a dragon type. Yeah. Dragon type. Okay. Oh, I know this. Okay. Oh, it's a Latias Fusion Strike. Full holographic reverse. Okay. Whoa, nice one over there. Okay, so this one, last one. Okay. Okay. I just have to pause for a while because these dogs outside is really pissing me off. Okay, we have another one. Okay, we have some another one. Okay, a trainer, Percy, Toxicity, Willabong V Max, Cinderace V, a Caperaja, Asazayan, and a Turtle. Oh, nice. Okay, that was an interesting. It's because bunch of shiny Pokemon cards right there. Okay, that is why the plastic. That is why the plastic of the booster pack is a what is that? Is a okay. Is a shiny one, so that is why. Okay, so yes, this one right here is a legendary. Okay, Delmise. And also, yeah, I think you know that already. Okay, last one. Okay, have some. Okay, and then this one right here. Okay, okay, VMAX. Okay, I just have to. I just have to. Okay, okay, that one right there, full of legendary Pokemon. The Magenta, the Cyan, New, I think Luminion is not a legendary. Okay, Rayquaza, the Magenta, Raikou, again, Luminion, Mew, Rayquaza, the Cyan. Okay, so, okay, that is one nice pick over here. Okay, okay. Okay, that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching my fake Pokemon cards collections. Okay, so again, thank you again so much, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and please click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy.